Good afternoon. Today we will discuss about the drilling machine. As we already discussed about the center lathe in last chapter. Now we will see the drilling machine. In this drilling machine chapter, it contains classification of drilling machine, construction and working of pillar type and radial type drilling machine, job holding devices, and its various operations of the drilling machines. Now we will see the principle of the drilling. Drilling is nothing but generation of a hole by rotating edge of cutting tool such that drill which exerts a large force on workpiece. This cutting tool is continuously rotated and produces a large force on that particular workpiece. Due to this force, the material will be removed and hole is produced. Now we will see the different types of the drilling machine. The first type of drilling machine is a portable drilling machine. Portable drilling machine means we can small size machine which is used for some electricians are used of this type of the portable drilling machine. A hand drilling machine is this machine is a portable type drilling machine. Then sensitive drilling machine. There are again different two types of the insensitive drilling machine in bench mounting and floor mounting. Basically these sensitive drilling machines are used in medical field. In medical field, this type of sensitive type drilling machines are used for injury time. Okay. Then next type is upright drilling machine. In upright drilling machine, there are again these two parts are there. The first is round column section, and second is box column section. That means round column means the column particular of the drilling machine is circular, round type, and box column section means it's a square box column is there. This upright drilling machine is used for the small job purpose. Then next type of drilling machine is a radial drilling machine. This radial drilling machine, again there are different three types are there. This is a plain radial drilling machine. Second is semi-universal radial drilling machine, and third is a universal radial drilling machine. Next type of drilling machine is a gang drilling machine. In this gang drilling machine, more than one drill is used at the same time for producing the number of holes. And last type is a multiple spindle drilling machine. It means that more than one drill with different speed in multiple spindle drilling machine. Now we will discuss about the round column section or pillar type drilling machine. In a round column section, there are different parts of the particular pillar type drilling machines are there. It also called as a round column upright drilling machine, and it has a main parts is a base. This base is there. This is a column. This is a table. This is a head. This is spindle feed mechanism is there. Now we will discuss one by one. This is the base. This This is a base. It is a bottommost part of machine which supports vertical column. This column is supported by this particular base. This base is made up of grey cast iron. The material of the base is grey cast iron. On the top of the base, this top of the base, T slots are provided. T slots are provided for the clamping the workpiece. If workpiece is heavy and size of the workpiece is very large, then this on the base, the workpiece is, by using this T slots, we can clamp the workpiece. These are the main function of that particular base. Now we will see the column. It is a vertical projection which is placed above the base. This column is placed above the base. It is used to support the driving mechanism. This driving mechanism, function of that particular column, which supports the driving mechanism. Column must be rigid to sustain entire cutting pressure. This column must be rigid to sustain entire cutting pressure during the drilling operation. There are different types of the columns are there. First is round section, second is box section. This type of column is having both cross sections are there, both two sections are there. One is round section is there, second is box section. Box means square type box is there. First, round section. In this, rack and pinion arrangement is present on column to move table up and down. Here, rack and pinion mechanism is used for this particular table movement purpose, up and down purpose. Rack and pinion mechanism is there. In box section, in this V-shaped guideways are present to move table up and down. Here V-shaped guideways are there for move this particular table from up and down. Now this table, it is present above the base. It is present above the base on the column. Top surface of table. Top surface of table has a T slots. It has again T slots are there for the clamping the workpiece. If size of workpiece is very short, then we will hold the workpiece on that particular table. The material of the table is grey cast iron. Table may have circular or it may be rectangular. This table is having two types are there. First is a circular and rectangular. Now we will see the head. Head is present on the top of the column and contains driving and heading mechanism. Totally this portion is called as a head. Contains driving mechanism means by using this motor we can drive the spindle, and feeding mechanism. This hand feed mechanism is there. Head is placed opposite to the motor. This head is opposite to the placed in the opposite to the motor and receives power from the motor through different pulleys. Here different pulleys are there. Through these different pulleys receive the power. By using these pulleys we can adjust the speed of the particular spindle. Number of speeds depends on the number of pulleys. Speed of the particular spindle is depends on the number of pulleys. Now we will see the spindle feed mechanism. Spindle is a vertical shaft which hold the drill tool. Spindle rotates within non-rotating sleeves such as quill. This is a quill. The downward movement of spindle is effected by pinion which is attached on rack on keel. This quill. The downward movement is effected by pinion which is attached on the rack wheel. The lower end of spindle is having more stepper for holding the taper shank drill. In drilling machine, feed is controlled by hand. During the feed, this feed of the particular drill bit is controlled by using the hand. Automatic feed is also applied for the drilling large diameter holes as more cutting pressure is required. If cutting pressure is required more and producing a large size of the drill, then this feed mechanism is replaced by the automatic feed mechanism. Now we will see the working of the pillar type drilling machine. Drill is attached in the spindle. Drill is attached in the spindle so that drill tool gets rotary power. The table is moves upward and downward direction. This table is moves upward and downward direction according to workpiece size. Workpiece is properly clamped on the table using feed mechanism. Using feed mechanism, drill comes closer to the hold position. Then pressure is applied in downward direction. Whatever the pressure applied on the downward direction, and drill is made at particular location. In located site, drill is produced. During drilling, coolant is required. As a high temperature is produced and drill depth is controlled by operator. Whatever the depth of the particular drilling is controlled by the operator. Main applications of this drilling type, this pillar type drilling machine is it is used for small type of work or for small size of the work. Another application is maximum size of the particular hole produced on pillar type drilling machine is up to the 20 mm. Of the same machine, it is up to the near about 40 to 50 mm. So it produce the hole. This is the working of the pillar drilling machine. See the actual pillar type drilling machine. This is a base. Base is having top surface. T-slots are there. If heavy workpiece is there, then workpiece is mounted on the base, and by using these T-slots, we can hold the workpiece. Then this is a rectangular type table is there. This is a circular type column is there. This is a feed mechanism is there. This feed is controlled by using hand. This is a drill. This is a head. Now we will discuss about the radial type drilling machine. This is a radial type drilling machine. In radial drilling machine, there are different parts of the drilling machines are there. The first part is base and table. Second is column. Third is radial arm. Fourth is drill head. Fifth is spindle feed mechanism. Spindle feed mechanism. Now we will discuss one by one. base and taper. The base of the radial drilling machine is a large rectangular casting which has T-slots on the top. This base totally is a large rectangular section. It's having top of the surface, it's having T-slots are there. And the material of this base is a cast iron to absorb the material of that particular cast iron, because of it absorbs the vibrations during the drilling time. On the base of column, column is present. On the base, column is present at one side. And table is present at other side, which has again having T-slots on the surface for the holding the workpiece purpose. Now we will see the column. It is cylindrical casting which is mounted vertically on the base. It supports radial arm. The radial arm which slides up and down, An electric motor is mounted on top of column. This electric motor is mounted on top of the column, which is used for vertical adjustment of the radial arm, vertical and downward direction of the this radial arm by using this motor. By using this motor, we can elevate this drill head by using this elevating arm mechanism. Then next is a radial arm. This is a radial arm, and it is mounted on column and extends horizontal over the base. This arm is extend over the base, and it is massive casting with machined faces. It contains guide rails. This arm is contains guide rails. These are the guide rails to which drill head can be sliced. By using this guide rail, drill head can be sliced. Radial arm may be swing around the column. This radial arm can be swing around the column as 180 degree as well as 360 degree also. In 360, this type of the radial drilling machine is a universal type. If swing is limited up to the 180, then this machine is called as semi-radial drilling machine. Drill head. I will discuss about the drill head. It is mounted on radial arm and drive the drill spindle. All speed feed mechanisms are housed within the drill head. Drill head slides on the radial arm. Drill head slides on radial arm to adjust the position of the drill. It contains separate motor to rotate the spindle. Again, separate motor is used for rotate the spindle purpose. Now, spindle and feed mechanism. There are two common methods of driving the spindle. First is constant speed motor is mounted at the extreme end, and radial arm which balance the weight of the radial arm. To arrangement of the bevel gears, different arrangement of the gear trains, different spindle speeds are obtained. In second method, Motor is fitted directly on drill head, and by using gearbox, different speed and feed can be obtained. Now we will see the working of the radial drilling machine. Radial drilling machine is used for drilling of medium to large and heavy workpieces. The workpieces are clamped on base or table with the help of radial arm. The drill head is placed at proper position and drill can be clamped. It contains three motions: plain radial drilling machine. First is vertical adjustment of the arm. Vertical adjustment of the arm. Second is horizontal movement of the drill head. This is the horizontal adjustment of movement of the adjustment. Third is circular movement of arm. In universal radial machine, addition to above, the drill head can swing about horizontal axis. In universal machine, drill head may be rotated 360 degree on horizontal axis. To hole can be drilled at an angle. Now, application of the particular radial drilling machines are producing heavy workpiece holes and mass production and some critical drills are there. This type of radial drilling machine is used. Now we will discuss about the drilling operations. There are different drilling operations can be performed on drilling machine. First is a drilling, second is reaming, third is boring, fourth is counter boring, fifth is counter sinking, last one is a tapping. Now we will discuss about one by one. Drilling. Drilling means producing a cylindrical hole by rotating tools and removing the metal from the hole. The drilling hole produced is rough and it is not accurate. It removes the bulk amount of the metal from the hole. Next, reaming. Reaming means sizing and finishing the hole. Reaming is the sizing and finishing a hole which is previously drilled. This portion is already previously drilled. This reamer tool is used for the sizing and finishing the hole. Reamer cannot produce the hole. It simply follows the path of the previous drilled hole and remove very small amount of the metal. Next is the boring. Boring is to enlarge previous drilled hole with the help of adjustable cutting tool. This tool is adjustable tool is there. By using this, we can enlarge already produced the drill. Also, it finished the hole accurately and made it to be required size. Machine internal surface of a casting hold and remove the roughness. Next is counter boring. Counter boring means enlarging one end of the previously drilled hole. It is a enlarging one end of the previously drilled hole, one side only. The enlarged hole is called as shoulder. This portion is called as shoulder of original hole. This is necessary to accommodate the heads or bolts, stud, pins, etc. Now we will see the counter sinking. Counter sinking, it means making cone shape enlargement at one end. This is necessary to accommodate heads of screw and rivets. This is necessary to accommodate screws and rivets. Next is the operation is tapping. Tapping is operation where internal threads are cut with the help of cutting tool called as a tap. This cutting tool is called as tap. These are available in set of the tapping is operation where internal threads are cut. Internal threads are done by using this tapping tool. This is about the drilling operations. Thank you. Saukar.